15 years, I get to launch something that I am so passionate about. This is brand new. It is the PROMiXX Sense Intelligent Cordless Blender. This is that next generation of portable blender that will never disappoint. You know me, I love the portable blenders, my entire family does, but I have been let down over and over again. This one is the real deal. It's small, it's compact, but the blades and the way that this works is literally like your big size blender, only it's in a smaller size. Very first time ever, it's brand new, and if QVC has given me anything, it is Rachel and Alberti, two of my best friends, but my closest friend in life is Melissa Epps, and she is here for my last day, which I'm so excited, and to launch something. It's been hard because...
I'm in denial, by the way.
It's because I was like, we have to launch something brand new. It's kind of important to do our job, but that's hard because I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Are there colors?
Yes, there are. There's 3 awesome colors.
White,
yes,
black, and then gray.
That's the blue.
Blue.
Yep.
It's blue, but it comes in the gray. And it comes in its own little case, which is fantastic.
It sure does, for everything.
What did I say to you the first time I used it?
You were like, where has this been all my
Right.
life? I absolutely love this, and I love the fact that you shared that you've been disappointed by other portable blenders. Because yes, this is a portable blender, but we do not like to be compared to other portable blenders because we like to be compared to true corded blenders. This is the most sophisticated portable blender that's on the market. It's most intuitive because it has intelligent software inside. Yep, that's right. Intelligent software. It actually is going to assess what it's blending while it's blending it. It's going to change the way it blends based upon what the blades meet. If it meets resistance, it's going to blend it differently. It's on a timer. It has 2 different features. It can go ahead and it can blend for 30 seconds or it can blend for 45 seconds. And then it also has a pulse feature as well. And you're going to be able to drink from it with the blade out, which I know is something that people don't like.
Only 200 of these left to go around in that midnight blue, and then it's going super, super quickly. This is how you drink out of it, and I want to show you how smart this is in terms of, and Melissa can show you, but you load it first, right? You load it first, and then you put the unit on top of it, turn it over, blend.
Safety,
take it off,
safety.
And then you drink out of it like this. There's no blades that you're, and so I took it in the, I blended, and then I took it in the car with me.
Berry smoothie, anyone? Because
yes,
you know what's
please.
in here. We've got our incredible Happy Viking, of course. So this is a great berry smoothie. So we've got banana, frozen blueberries, water, and our protein powder, which we love so much.
What are you doing over there?
Isn't
I haven't
that
done
great?
that to it yet.
So you can also use it to pulverize nuts. Look at this. Are you kidding me?
No way.
This has got cashews in it. So think about when you're making like your nut butters. Think about when you're chopping your nuts. When it comes to, you know, topping your salads. Look at that.
You can't do that in other portable blenders.
They were full cashews, and look at that. If I were to continue to blend it multiple cycles, it will actually become a nut butter. Just a little bit of oil, so it really is incredible.
Why is this so important? It's because you do need to be doing things like your single serving protein shakes. You do need to be doing things that give you all your building blocks in something that's small and easy and portable to use. As you can see right there, you don't drink with the blades on, which is very nice. It comes in this great little bag, so take it with you to work, take it with you to the gym, take it with you when you travel. We do not have a lot of these. It's brand new today. Yeah, it'll even cut fruit like you're seeing right there.
It will, and coarse fruit, frozen fruit. Think about those really difficult vegetables.
Ice cubes.
Ice cubes. Hello, Rachel.
Hello, darling.
But I love the fact that the blade actually is in a protected area before you actually attach it onto the blender. It also has a complete safety feature that there are actual sensors. So when it actually is attached onto the blender, it will not work unless it knows that it's in with the sensor.
150 left in the midnight blue, and then that is sold out. We also have the black, and then we also have the white. It comes in its case as well. So you get everything perfect. I'm telling you, if you've been disappointed by the other portable blenders, this is the way to go.
When you're talking about durability, when you're talking about ease of use, when you're talking about something that is kind of like it's intuitive because you are just going to turn that over and then you're going to drink it, which is super wonderful. It's also under $90 when it usually retails for $119.
It is.
So we love saving you $29 right now, giving you the opportunity to put it on 5 easy payments of $18. Are you making me something that I can drink? Because I know Kirsten has to go run. Are you making?
I'm actually making salad dressing. So I'm going to dress
As I started to look at it, I thought, yeah, that's probably EVOO.
Right, which is so great. But the thing that's so wonderful is because it has that great anti actually jam technology. So if the blades actually meet something that is hard and it thinks that it's going to get some resistance, it actually changes the way that it blends.
Which the other ones won't do.
No.
So I would never tell you with another portable blender that this could replace your blender. This can replace your blender. If you're a person at home by yourself and you're not making stew with it, like this can replace your blender. Plus it's great if you live in an RV or you're traveling or you're in a smaller space or Melissa and I think of getting our own tiny house somewhere that just the two of us go in. Rachel, you can come.
I'm going to come.
You can come.
Where are our kids going to be?
But that's the thing. No, it's just the tiny house that we share and we take different times.
My kids are all old enough, so I don't have to worry about that now.
It's the tiny house for the girls. So here's the story. It's K98775. You just saw, of course, that Melissa made beautiful salad dressing.
Oh, yeah.
You ground nuts in this in 2 seconds, which is really lovely if I wanted to sprinkle it on something, or maybe I was, on my way to making a pie crust, which is fantastic. What are you making now?
Well, right now I'm going to make my, what am I making now? I've got our mocha frap.
Oh,
I've got to add my ice because I got to show you how hard this is with the ice.
A little bit of ice.
But I also just want to know, look, so I've got the blade, which is separate, right? You've got the blade. I'm going to go ahead, and I love it because it comes with these in these refrigerator vessels. So you can go ahead, you can actually pre-mix these, keep them in the refrigerator. But here we go. We've got the blade. This is great. You saw me pulverize the nuts with that. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to attach the blade. Now you're going to charge the actual base for just about an hour and a half or so. And then after you are done charging it, I'm just going to get this in, right? You're going to charge it for just about an hour. There we go. An hour and a half. And then it's going to give you upwards of 30 blends.
Which is really nice because, 30 is going to be a while. By the way, I just have to mention it's last call in that midnight blue.
Oh my goodness.
We have only a couple dozen to go around. Oh, 3, as in 36 people in our 50 million households can get it.
Oh my goodness.
It's brand new today. It's a new brand launch. So if you're wondering who PROMiXX is, they are.
PROMiXX is the #1 leader in fitness accessories in Europe. So look at that. I went ahead. So they are known for this. And if you're looking on social media, you are looking for the ultimate portable blender. This is from PROMiXX. So it really is one of a kind. Only sensor technology blending that exists in the entire world. It's going to change the way that you drink on the go.
And speaking of drinking on the go, and speaking of something you're going to put in here, of course, Happy Biking and Venus Williams. And that is the protein shake that we have as our today's special value. That can go in here in the vanilla, the triple chocolate, the strawberry, and the berry parfait.
Yum.
This is K98775. Put this in your cart and check out Midnight Blue, and its case is already gone.
Oh my goodness.
So you've got the black and the white, and that's it. Save $29 right now. Thank you, Melissa.
Thank
and
you
guess
so
what?
much.
Look who we have for the last day with Kirsten. Venus Williams.
In 2011, I was diagnosed